You can never go wrong using butterflies and flowers. Hello and welcome to this new episode. Lately, I've been doing these beautiful drawings, and every one of them is related with a young girl that I know. So I'm gonna keep doing these drawings because I showed to them and they really love it. Writing here like some characteristic that it belongs to the person or define the person. This girl here is defined by happiness. This is super playful. This I haven't put in anything yet. This is self-love and that is love seeking. So I'm gonna try to finish one of them. I'm going to be using this paper that is amazing. I love it. And I'm going to put it on the back of the card. So thanks again to be here. This is our creative space of creativity and self-discovery. In every episode, I show my creations, my inspirations. So the idea is that you get motivation and you get ideas so you can start making art, making journals, and having fun with all the materials. I know the girls are gonna love it, and this is the process. So I'm gonna cut and then I'm gonna glue to the back of the card. I don't think I'm gonna transform this into a tag or a flap or something else or a card. I just want to keep it like so they can have these little drawings on books. They can either journal here or write some quotes or sentiments. I don't want to do it because I want them to be free and write what they really want to write as a memory of their teacher. So yeah, so this is coming out really nice. As I said before, I show some of them to them and they were so excited to identify themselves in my little drawings. This is gonna be for playful, so I included like little stars here, but I don't see that this is pretty nice. So I'm just gonna do the tiny stars on her face and a little moon is there. And then I'm just gonna trace the neck tiny bit more. And actually I saw her today and her hair is like a little bit longer all over and all the way down to her shoulders. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do that or it's gonna be looking good, but yeah, it has really curly hair and it goes all the way down. Yes, this is exactly the way her hair is. So that's gonna be like so. All right. Yeah, much better than this one. It looks more like she is. And also I'm gonna choose butterflies for this one because I know that they're gonna like it. And as I said before, you can never go wrong when using butterflies and flowers. When it comes to collages or journals for girls, we love those things. I particularly love flowers and butterflies. I'm crazy about them. And so, yeah, this is how we go. I guess I have a little bit more here. Much better, much like her. And I'm gonna just go a little bit here and trace the wing tiny bit. this is the second one, and that's the first one. Actually, they are best friends. Now I'm gonna go with this one, and I don't have a name for her, like for the expression, but I will say that this girl is more into traveling. So I'm gonna place here travel. Yeah, it's exactly like she is. Right. Her hair is like this, really into her forehead, and then you can see her ears, not on the other ones, and then she pulls her hair on the back of the ears. It's very long. Her hair is super long. And another characteristic is that she wears braces. So I'm gonna try to do a mouth open, and then lips, the little nose, and let's go with the eyes. This is right in the center. Also, she has kind of little bit of pimples, freckles around the face. It's coming into life. As soon as you do the eyes, they come into life. And here, let's see what I can do. She really has like long hair, but not too abundant, so it looks just like her. I love it. I am in love with the results. Yeah, let's do 9.5, and then here 9.5, and we're gonna go here 9.5, 9.5, and then here. Also, she's super skinny, so which is very represented in this drawing here. The good thing about pencil is like never is gonna go away. Even if you pour water on top of this, it's not gonna go away. Like the difference with ink is specifically that. Okay, so I have the Dreamer, and let me see if I have enough of this with butterflies so I can glue it on the back. Yeah, even if I have this tiny cut here, that is not a problem, because with the glue you're not gonna be able to see it, and it's gonna be fine. So even if I have this card in here, that's not gonna be a problem because with the glue it's gonna stay on place. So I'm trying to do on this side of the cardstock and then going that way, and here I'm gonna just glue the two parts and that's it. So this is what I have. I'm just gonna cut here and you'll see the difference once they're finished. They're super cute, they're nice. And yeah, when you observe a lot and when you're visual, you can detect people's most relevant details in their faces and bodies. And now I want to complete the one that doesn't have any butterflies on the back. They got it for $5. It was on sale and at Michael's, and look how beautiful it is. So I'm thinking to have this little bands here or strips. I'm gonna glue it first to avoid any mistakes. They need to be precise. Create like some stencils that I can have available, and they're gonna come with the different shapes of faces for me to choose whenever I want to do something, and accordingly to the person, I'll do it. This one has big eyes. Made another three, and I'm using this beautiful paper with butterflies, and what I have to do now is separate them following these borders here, or the lines. And then I'm gonna finish these two, adding the cardstock on the background just the same way as is this and this and this and this. Thanks for watching my videos, and don't go away without subscribing to my channel, because every week I'm gonna be posting videos. I'm always doing something on my desk. This is part of my daily life. This is my way of relaxation, creation, and also disconnection from my daily busy life. So these are the girls. I really think that they're gonna be happy, and I see you soon. Bye friends. Bye bye. See you.